Adventure time with the Transit Prodigy. Hello and welcome to today's video. This is yours truly, Joshua the Transit Prodigy, here giving you another epic.
Why are you coming in from Los Angeles?
For those that are tuning in,
That's
make
the
sure you
bigger
make
question.
yourself comfortable by getting any form of refreshments, any type of eateries, and just sit back, relax, and enjoy the action. And if you're out in public, please make sure you have your headphones on and be respectable to the other people around you. Enjoy today's video.
Hold up. We have Lufthansa 747 coming in from Frankfurt International Airport. Hello, Lufthansa. Another aircraft that will have to fly before they decide to kick the bucket. Is that Latam over there? Yes, it is. Qatar Airways as an Airbus A350-1041. about the legendary Lufthansa, aka Lufty. Nope. What I saw was the sun striking against the freaking thing. Figured that was too good to be true. Come on. Come south. Come south, please. Come on. Let's get a Southside departure on the 747, please. This suspense is killing me. Come on.
2429, after Echo 13, turn left Echo, then contact ground on point 75. Thanks. Echo 13, Echo ground 75, Dublin 44, good day.
Oh. With guitar in the background. Don't tease me like this. Give it to me straight. I feel this guy. This suspense. This suspense is gruesome. You played dirty. Wait.
Wind 230 9er, runway 24 left, clear to land. 24 left, clear to land, 19320.
I was hoping for a south departure, but you know what? This angle it's in, I'll take that too.
2120 lock on the tower, you gonna be ready to go?
Wait, whoa. Oh, are you serious? You're playing with me. All like that. No.
Challenger 320, 737 holding in position.
Oh, let's go.
Alpha 691, exit Echo 13, turn left Echo, then contact ground on point 75. Thanks.
Oh! No way! Let's go! Oh! We got it! Ooh! Oh, let's go! Let's go! Oh, we got Emirates pulling out too!
2120, contact departure.
Yes! Best plane spotting day ever in 2024, folks. Yes. Ooh. And we got British Airways Great Festival of Creation pulling out as well. As it's returning to Heathrow. Let's go. We will take this. We will take this. We will take this. Let's go. As the almighty quote from Smash Ultimate goes, we take those. Give me a we take those in the Premiere chat section if you're watching this on Premiere. Please and thank you.
Echo 13, text straight ahead on Papa, and up the checkpoint, contact ground on point 75.
Papa, and then at checkpoint,
Let's go.
192
This gonna be a lot of to edit, but you know what? You guys are worth it. Each and every last one of you. Oh my gosh. And where do you think you're going? Like I didn't see you. There. The hype is real. A Southside departure for the 747. Sorry, folks. There we go. She's taking off. This is gonna be the best. Ooh, this is gonna be the best takeoff since my retro livery shop.
Alright, thank you for watching today's video. And if you watched up to this point of the video without skipping, you are the true MVP. Without further ado, please stay cool, stay warm, stay refreshed by drinking plenty of water. Simply put, stay hydrated. Take many breaks or very few breaks as you see fit because your mental health matters. I love you, no matter who you are, what you are.
Best of
Have a
Contra all
blessed
day.
Stay
There we go.
safe. And if you
Wow.
see something, say something. Every life matters. Tune in next time.
That was
for
totes
my
the
next
highlight of the day,
featured
folks.
video. Greetings and salutations wherever you're watching this from. Thank you for watching today's featured video, and please have a blessed day.